we have a question here, which is an interesting one.
Okay.
When you were adopting this, and
Okay.
you started by bringing on 4 of your papers onto the platform that didn't have websites, right?
Right. Right.
You were just starting up fresh. How long did it take you to kind of get into the new flow of things, the new workflow?
It wasn't too hard. I had to sort of figure out things like, like I think I mentioned the having to match up the style things. That was a little bit.
Right. It's a lot of setup stuff in the beginning. Yeah, like
Yeah.
matching that. But once that's set up.
Yeah, really, it's not bad once it's set up at all. It wasn't that bad setting it up either. It's giving us the websites that are kind of done as we go, basically. I mean, we were already working in print for years before that.
Right.
So.
Right. I think it was a very smooth transition for you because you didn't have a set workflow in place for the website. It was a brand new website, so we could just jump into it. So, I mean, I think the answer on that is it would vary, but our turnaround on these things is we can set up a prototype in about a week, Deb, and then we can let them use it and become familiar with the tools so we can launch it very quickly.
Yeah.
Okay.
I mean, it means that one person is doing the designing both for the website and the paper kind of at the same time, which I think is a savings. I didn't have somebody already doing a website for us. So
exactly.
That was my reason for doing it.
Right. So. Well, you didn't really add any work. I mean, it's part of the print process now. You're using the website to organize your articles for print. It's your preprints.
Yeah.
Oh, that looks great. This is really coming together here as we're just talking. I'm liking this article.
So I mean, what I do is, other people may do different things, but I'd like to build this during the week, and then when we come up to our crunch time, I'll have this is another page right here that it's already got the dateline and an ad that's going to go on it, and what I can do is I can just, grab this story and bring it over to the other page, and there we go. We're ready to send that to print.
Love it.
So
well, that's a cool little insight into your process.